Welcome. My name's Peter Agilasto, and my company Blue Wall Media created Kairos, a digital media archival and social publishing solution. So what we're going to do today in our screencast is we're going to drag over 49 files into Kairos. I've dragged them into a Dropbox, which Kairos has integrated with. You can get a Dropbox at dropbox.com. As you can see, Dropbox is indexing all 49 of our files. Now, they're being sucked into Kairos as one by one, each file is being deleted by Kairos from the Dropbox. At this point, there were no errors, even though we put in a bunch of different file formats. And now I'm going to my email and I'm seeing the system tell me what's been processed. With a simple click of the mouse, you can drag and drop your song and video into Kairos. In seconds, it's organized. In seconds, it's searchable. And in seconds, it's in many file formats. So let's take a look at the catalog. So now let's look at the files that we added to Kairos. Here you'll see all 49 files with their 459 derivative files, bringing us to a total of 508 files created and added to this catalog automatically in one step by dragging the file into the Kairos magic folder. So now I'm going to open up one of the files that I've got and we're going to play it. And I realized, gosh, this is so great. I really want to tweet this file to my friends. So why don't I just go ahead and tweet the file? So I'll go over to my social tools. I click Twitter. And then all of a sudden, I can tweet. Let's do the same for Facebook. I'm going to click the Facebook link. And it's going to allow me to share my video over Facebook. We're going to do the same thing for Google+, and these are just basic social media sharing tools. Kairos will offer you advanced social sync and sharing tools, and we'll discover that in a later screencast session. So let's explore the catalog more. Let me open up some of these columns so that we can see some of the keywords and genres, and let's go ahead and add a new genre. I'm going to add sculpture. And I'll do it for this one below it too. Just remember to save your edits and you should be good to go. Let's edit some more metadata. So here I'm going to go into my keywords because I noticed that I have a capital L when I meant to have it lowercase l. I'm going to make that change. And then while I'm at it, why don't I add another genre? I'll add it Kairos Demo. Kairos makes it very easy and very quick to edit metadata. So at this point I've made the change, and now I'm realizing that I'd like to go back to all of my quick clips and add Kairos Demo to the genre. So let me do that through batch editing. So now that I've got all my quick clips sorted, what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down, click on the batch edit metadata. I'm going to import all of the file IDs from the current page, give the field name genre, and add the new Kairos Demo value. I'm sure I'm going to write the metadata. Done. Pretty simple. Great. Well, let's verify it. And opening genre. Excellent. There's all my Kairos demos. Let's look at playback. I'm going to select a video and then open up a number of the derivative files that we made. Let's open up some OGG Theora files and some WebM files, all of which are HTML5 compliant here in my Firefox browser. And I'm going to play everything, get them all in order here, and play everything on top of each other. So, pretty cool. You get organized, you get published, and you can do it fast with Kairos. For more information, please visit bluewallmedia.com. Thank you.